In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved payment method on hotels.com. If you've tried to delete a card from your account and couldn't find the option, you're not alone. The key thing to understand up front is that hotels.com generally doesn't provide a clear online button or menu to delete saved cards in your account settings. Even in places like payment methods during checkout or within your profile, many users don't see a remove option. That's especially true if the card has been used on past or upcoming bookings. Because of that, the reliable solution is to contact support and ask them to remove it for you. Here's how to do it smoothly. First, go to the hotels.com Help Center. You'll find it through the Help or Contact Us link on the site. This page is your hub for reaching customer support. Next, choose how you want to connect. Live chat is usually the fastest and is available directly on the help site. If you prefer, phone support is also available around the clock, with regional numbers listed in the contact options. Pick the method that works best for you and your location. When you're connected with an agent, clearly state that you want to remove a saved payment method from your account. To help them identify the correct card, provide the last 4 digits only. Do not share your full card number or security code. The agent may ask a couple of quick questions to verify your account, and then they can proceed with removal. Once they've completed the request, the agent should confirm that the card details have been cleared from your account. If you're using chat, consider saving the transcript for your records. If you're on the phone, you can ask for a confirmation message to be sent to your email on file. A quick note on why this process is necessary. Hotels.com often doesn't allow users to delete saved cards online if those cards are linked to existing or historical bookings. That's why going through support is the standard and most effective route. It ensures the card is properly disassociated and removed on the back end. If you run into any delays, try switching to the other contact method, like moving from phone to chat, and make sure your account information is handy so verification is quick. With these steps, you'll have your saved payment method removed without digging through menus that don't lead anywhere.